Welcome to the Bike Culture Hub. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda PCX, one of the most stylish and practical scooters for urban commuters. With its refined design, improved performance, and smart technology, the PCX continues to set the standard for city riding. Let's take a closer look at what makes this scooter a top choice for riders in 2025. Design and comfort. The 2025 Honda PCX carries forward its signature sleek and modern look, with subtle refinements for an even more premium feel. Its aerodynamic bodywork enhances efficiency while maintaining a futuristic appeal. LED lighting, sharp lines, and a bold front fascia make it stand out on the streets. The ergonomic seat design offers excellent comfort for both the rider and passenger, with a well-padded surface and an ideal seat height for easy reach to the ground. The spacious under-seat storage can accommodate a full-face helmet, making it perfect for everyday use. Engine and performance. Powering the 2025 PCX is a refined 156 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, single-cylinder engine with Honda's ESP Plus, enhanced smart power technology. This upgrade delivers improved fuel efficiency, smoother acceleration, and lower emissions. The enhanced V-matic transmission ensures effortless power delivery, making city commuting and highway cruising a breeze. Honda's advanced fuel injection system optimizes performance while maintaining excellent mileage. Whether navigating busy streets or taking on longer rides, the PCX offers a balance of power and efficiency. Technology and features. The 2025 PCX is loaded with smart features to enhance the riding experience. A fully digital instrument cluster provides clear readouts of speed, fuel level, and trip information. The inclusion of Honda's Smart Key system allows for keyless ignition, adding convenience and security. One of the most exciting additions this year is the improved Honda Selectable Torque Control, HSTC, which enhances stability and grip on slippery roads. Combined with the anti-lock braking system, ABS, on the front wheel, riders can feel more confident in various